Throughout the tutorials, we will give you a detailed tour of the types of comprehensive analysis that can be performed using PatentPia's data technology solutions that will enable users to achieve optimal levels of IP resource allocation and maximize the profitability of businesses. The following is Section 7 of our Prometheus tutorial series, which is PatentPia's HR management solutions that will enable recruiters to identify high-performing researchers and allow companies to execute strategic technology development and planning through quantitative and qualitative evaluations for each of their patents and technology-related assets. We hope that you take a few minutes to explore the possibilities by downloading Prometheus and trying out the analysis options. Just visit about.patentpia.com or follow the instructions provided in the tutorials. Now let's begin. PatentPia's HR management solutions includes the quantitative and qualitative evaluation of patents developed by researchers. This analysis allows businesses to evaluate the performance of the researchers while also identifying the compatibility of the researcher with companies. For example, numerous international and international patent filings indicate a high level of investment by companies and institutions whose resources are limited. Therefore, researchers with numerous international patent filings may be seen to be key researchers, and researchers who have invented noteworthy patents, which include litigated, disputed patents, transacted patents, or standard essential patents, may be seen to be key researchers as well. Now let's go to Prometheus and identify researchers who have invented patents with noteworthy events. The view code for this analysis is A-TI511. Select the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the hashtag INVPE (US data), which is PatentPia's patent data product with over 100 different analysis fields and evaluations for input US patents listed by each patent's inventor. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and select the resulting worksheet. The results in the table shows all of the noteworthy patents invented by each inventor by technical field, as the results in the table have been filtered for litigated patents only by selecting all values except for blank, which has been selected by default. You can also filter for inter partes reviewed patents by using the P15 filter, and assignment transfer patents by using the P16 filter, and patents with high evaluation scores by using the P82 filter, which you can add to the pivot table to the right. PatentPia's evaluation scores evaluates the likelihood that a patent will be litigated within the next 2 to 3 years. Also, by clicking on the number results on the table, another sheet will be generated with the patent data supporting the results. So by selecting Michael Fitzpatrick, you can see the 8 patents that he invented, and you can see that this person is of Irish descent. And by clicking on the URL, you'll be taken to PatentPia's website, where you'll be able to find detailed information about the patent, along with key information about the current right holder. Another effective way to analyze key researchers is to identify researchers who have invented patents with large international patent families, because this is a good indication that they are key researchers. The view code for this analysis is A-TI412. So go to Prometheus and click on the filter next to the view code and locate A-TI412. Select the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. The data type used in this analysis is the hashtag INVPE (US data), which is the same type of data we just used in the previous analysis. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and select the resulting worksheet. The results in the table identifies key researchers through the analysis of all applied and issued patents, along with applications within the past 1 to 2 years for each country: United States, Japan, China, Europe, and Korea, and the total number of international patent family filings. Analysis of the average number of patent applications and issuances that have been obtained by each researcher in each country for every patent that has been applied and issued in the U.S. provides valuable insights into the productivity of the researcher. Now let's go back to Prometheus and identify productive researchers by analyzing issued patents by a researcher in the recent years. The view code for this analysis is A-TI112. Select the checkbox next to the menu item and then click Go. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and select the resulting worksheet. Users may adjust the number of years in the table by using the column labels filter and selecting maybe the past 5 or 6 years, 7. The results in the table shows the annual breakdown of patents that have been issued for each researcher for each technical field. The results may be adjusted by using the fields in the column area of the pivot table by replacing P6 issue year to P49 publication year to analyze the publication years for each researcher. Other adjustments may be made as a user sees fit in order to customize the results. And by clicking on the number of results in the table, another sheet will be generated with the patent data supporting the results. Let's select William L. D'Agostino. You'll see that William L. D'Agostino is of English descent. And by clicking on the URL provided in the worksheet, you'll be taken to PatentPia's website, where you'll be able to find detailed information about the patent, along with additional information about the current right holder, transactions, related patents, bibliographic information, and full text image of the patent. For more information, please visit us at about.patentpia.com or www.patentpia.com.